Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Lionsteel ROK here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this fella right over here. This is an interesting one, guys. It is a aluminum frame lock integral made in Italy. It is I always wanted to try this guy. I always wanted to love this one because there's so many features and innovations in this one, which is crazy. Yeah, I was left a little bit underwhelmed for just one reason, but it is a pretty cool one. I mean, this is not a huge knife. I would say, what is that? 3.25 inch long for the cutting edge. And then you get like 4.5 almost inches for the handle for an overall length of 7.75 inches. So not that big, but it's very, very well made. I mean, look at the 3D milling going on this scale, which is a chunk of aluminum just milled out. You have some checkered pattern here, like stripes, and then the pattern repeats on this side, and then you have some nice chamfers going on. Look at these milling lines around the spine of the back of the handle, coming back like symmetrically. On both sides, it's very, very well made, especially considering that this is just one solid chunk of aluminum. And then you got, of course, like the star of the show probably is going to be the pocket clip, which is retractable. You see, it can be hidden right over here. There is like a mechanism down there where you just push it and this guy comes out, and otherwise just stays flush with the handle, so no hot spots whatsoever. Also, this guy has this mechanism here, which is used to lock the lock bar in the open position like that, so you cannot disengage it, and it's gonna be not like a fixed blade, but still you won't be able to disengage the lock bar. So it's an added extra security to the lock, or like you just rotate it to the counterclockwise and you're gonna be able to disengage the lock bar and just close it. Also, like another little feature, it's pretty interesting, is the fact that the flipper tab is removable. They provide the tool and an extra screw to remove the flipper tab, so this guy would be legal in many countries where like a flipper tab would be considered illegal. So I mean, these, and look at that, for example, nice detail, like the non-spinning pivot with the name of the model right over here. It's a pretty cool idea, guys. Like, I mean, I do see lots of innovation in this one, you know, aluminum integral, retractable pocket clip, of course, stainless steel lock face insert, extra lock safety for the lock bar. You got a very cool blade, pretty thick stock, quite thick behind the edge, but it's well made, nice ergos. What is kind of disappointing is the action, because the lock bar tension is a little bit too strong in my opinion, and also you know, that thing is, it make this knife like pretty easy to fail. As you can see, I mean, if you try to do like a push button, it's not gonna work. You just have to do like a pretty decent light switch in order for the blade to be deployed. But I mean, you can do that, but for sure I was expecting something a little bit more fidgety in my hand. Let's quickly check the weight, because this guy is going to be 4.46 ounces, so just keep that in mind. I mean, it's not a bad one. There's a lot of good things to love and appreciate in this one, probably not the action. So there you have it. If you guys want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.